How to fix Disney Plus error code 44. Here are some tips that would help fix Disney Plus error code 44. 1. Disconnect any active VPN connection or proxy server you may be using in the background, and try accessing the VID later. 2. Close the Disney Plus app and relaunch it later, 30 minutes or longer. 3. Check if you ran into some internal system issue with Disney Plus. 4. Ensure the title you wanted to view is still available in your existing location. 5. Log out and back into Disney Plus. 6. Contact Disney Plus customer support team for more help.